Good
Saturday.
What are we making today? Today we're making a Hormel chili recipe from 1984. We like simple here in Saute Prime's Country Kitchen. What I liked about this was the title, Little Italy Chili. What's that about? We have a Hormel Chili No Beans recipe, canned sliced mushrooms. Of course, we could use fresh mushrooms, but the recipe calls for canned. 1 tomato, 1 onion. This is a mutant onion. I might not use all of it. This is a small one compared to what was in the bin. Linguini, pepper, bacon. The bacon sounded good to me in the chili. Worcestershire sauce. 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to make this just like the recipe. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking.
It's a lot of bacon.
Cheers! It's Saturday. We're drinking. 1984 Little Italy chili. Let's try it. This will be a new experience. There's a lot of Worcestershire sauce in there and a lot of pepper. I don't know, do I just... Here we go. All right. Huh? Well, it's not reminding me of Hormel right away. I am getting the Worcestershire sauce. I think it needs salt. We'll take another bite and we'll try the sauce on its own. We have not done that yet. Let's just slurp it in. Wow. I'm going to add a little salt to it. I think it needs salt. I'd rather add it than not be able to take it away. Oh. Come on now. Come on now. Twirl it. Here we go. Whoa! You know what? I really like it. I put all of the onion in. I chose to. I'm kind of glad I did. I'm picking up the pepper. The spice of the pepper. Cheers, it's Saturday. We're drinking. Let's taste it directly from the pot. Oh, that's good. Oh my. Oh my. You know what? I think I'd rather eat a bowl of this just like it is or over rice. I'm not sure about the linguini. Let's just do one more. Oh, I like that. Wow. Just a little bit more. Oh! Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. Let's eat the parsley. I'll eat the whole parsley. I take back what I said. I think it tastes really good with the pasta. I do. I really liked it alone, though. By itself? Come on! Here, oh! Oh, come on! Let's stay on the floor. Ah! Oh, I hate long pasta. I hate it. And it needs a little bit more salt. So, I do think it needs a little salt. Here we go. Let's just... Oh! Why? Why? Oh! Come on, maybe with a spoon. Let's mix it up a little. Okay, we'll try it with a spoon. Frickin' pasta. That's a lot. Okay, okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. Here we go. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Cheers, it's Saturday, we're drinking. Oh. And thanks for watching. Oh, that's a... I can't get it on a fork. I can't get it on a fork. Oh, oh, oh.